By tomorrow, Bittensor is expected to rise 1.8% per Traders Union. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. At this hour, Bittensor is down 2.6% over the last 24 hours and holding near $250.90. Let's scan the expert predictions today. Tomorrow, digital coin price says we might be looking at $247.55. That's a decrease of 1.3%. CoinCodex projects Bittensor to move upward toward $252.59, a projected gain close to 0.7%. CoinDataFlow points out the chance of reaching $253.91, a projected gain of 1.2%. A separate outlook from Traders Union points to Bittensor climbing to $255.30, a potential increase of roughly 1.8%. And finally, 30 Rates sees a target of $256 by tomorrow. That's 2% above the current level. This stands as the most profitable forecast we've reviewed. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. After compiling all the forecasts together, the price is expected to shift somewhere between a decline of 1.3% and an increase of 2%, depending on the analyst. This means 30 Rates comes in with the top forecast with 2% gain in value by June 2, as the data shows you could collect between $7 and $20 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, CoinCodex's forecast carries a 94.7% probability of hitting the target. From the total set of forecasts, I've put forward one consensus picture. Consensus trends suggest Bittensor could move upward by 0.9% toward $253.07. Let's walk through the details. Consensus calculations suggest a 0.9% price increase by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also go up by around 0.9%. In practice, 1,000 might correspond to roughly $9 gained. So the probability of this consensus forecast being realized sits near 94.2%. Let's shift our focus to how analysts view the 3-day outlook. Further appreciation is projected by digital coin price. CoinCodex expects the price to slump further. A slide is meanwhile anticipated by CoinDataFlow, with pressure on the downside. Meanwhile, Traders Union anticipates Bittensor heading south. According to 30 Rates, Bittensor is likely to trade sideways. Bringing together the forecasts, the consensus shows Bittensor leaning into a decline. Taken collectively, 80% of analysts emphasize a negative path for Bittensor. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the market finally closed at $255.67. 3 out of 5 analysts aligned with the actual market trend. If we look at pure accuracy, Traders Union was the closest. Let's go through it. The daily candle included 2 forecasts. For ROI, part of the group finished positive, led by crypto predictions. Here's the full recap table. The entire set of results shown together. As for coin price forecast, the data shows 0.1% ROI in accuracy. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. And now let's see where Bittensor stands among other cryptocurrencies in tomorrow's forecasts. Bitcoin